Hold on. Feels fucking amazing. What up, everybody? Oh my goodness gracious. I'm in my car right now. We're going down to Acuna Total Car Care. Look at that lighting though. Oh, that guy was dragging his splash shield. Punch it. That was a Borla exhaust. Soon I will be doing the PP headers intake and the tune from RR Racing. So RR Racing, if you guys are watching this, homeboys, like, hit me up, man. I'm trying to get a sponsorship. But anyways, I'm going down to Acuna Total Car Care right now, and we're gonna try to install meth kit on Martine's car. Trying to see some guards, some meth. Yeah, I'm on my way right now. That's how you pull up to Acuna Total Car Care on a good day. I don't think anybody's here. Woo! That's how you fucking do it. Oh, fuck, the smoke is gonna fucking make me stink. Man, look at this thing. What happened? That was a smoke signal from Nando. And that's the leaf right there. So, Caesar?
Torque or what?
Huh?
There, you see that torque of that thing?
So you gonna do a burnout for us in the leaf, Caesar?
For
real? I think yeah,
Let's find out. Let me go get the keys, bro.
let's do it. Want to do it right now? Just playing, yo. That's like, who's that? That's like Caesar's dad or something. Not even. He snaked us.
Yeah.
He owes us a fucking burnout. That's what he does. That's what he owes us.
Oh shit, dude, what you doing?
Oh shit. That's like, how much money in tires right there? That's a lot of money in tires, dude. I need to take this back and put it back on the tires.
There's one that we had a picnic.
Oh yeah? One tire fire? So yeah, so what are we doing? Where's your car?
Corner?
So are we doing it or what?
Yeah, I hope so.
What do you mean? Are we gonna put it in right now?
No, yeah, let me go.
Alright. Alright, Caesar.
Got this wheel, dude.
So next time, you owe us a burnout, alright? You can choose whatever you want. The leaf, the IS. Huh?
Burnout on 32.
Alright, you said it. Burnout on 32s. Alright. This video gets how many likes, Caesar? 100 likes?
2 so far.
If it gets 100 likes, you do a burnout on 32s. You guys heard it. Oh, shit. ¿Qué pasó? Oh, es la cuando fuimos allá.
132 burnouts right there.
Damn. These aren't the 32s you're gonna burn out, right?
Yeah?
No, dude, no, No, we want to see actual burnouts. Damn. ¿Sí quema o no quema?
Ahí está la respuesta, les da las quemando.
Damn. That's crazy. Dude, it's so dirty.
No, dude. Mother Nature.
Alright, so we kind of got a little idea already on how to do it.
Oh, with my head.
So which one did you get, Martin?
I got the AM one.
So AM meth kit?
Yeah.
So it comes with a pump, a reservoir,
And the wiring, and the controller. The reason why I bought it was for this one right here.
Hey, AM sticker. You gonna put it right here? You gonna put it in your headlight. So we got an idea the other day of putting it on the side right there. So you said that the reservoir has to be above the pump, right? So pretty much right there. And yeah, he got rid of his spare tire too. And the pump's gonna be down here. Oh Oh, we got lighting though.
We're in the wiring.
Okay,
Same
what?
way I ran the wiring for the controller for the bottle opener. So
Okay.
do the same.
Piece of metal right here. We're trying to pretty much put this, something like that,
A bracket here.
as a bracket like this. Maybe you guys can kind of see that. And then pretty much set the reservoir on this bracket. So I think we're gonna have to cut it and then start measuring from there. So yeah, let's go cut. All right, guys. You know, safety is always first, #1 priority.
Yeah.
Come on, dude. Hit it. You look like you're going outer space, Martin. Ta-da! That was fast, wasn't it? I hope I did that right. So you clip it, you gotta do this, and then it just happens right away, instantly. Yeah. It looks pretty good. Let's see if it fits.
We'll just mount this here,
Oh, look at that.
and then we'll trim the cover.
So you think we should weld that onto the chassis, or you think we should, or can we bolt it?
I don't think we can, dude.
You think we can bolt it? Can we bolt it? Can we bolt it?
I don't think so.
No.
We'll have to check.
Well, I mean, if anything goes bad to bad, as in you have to replace your amp, we just cut the welds. I can't trust your car for the amplifier. No, I mean, we can just cut the welds and take it off.
Yeah.
So it shouldn't be that big of a deal. So yeah, we're welding. So I mean, I don't think there's any other
I've made worse mistakes in my life.
You cut up your front chassis, man, like to put the supercharger in. So I mean, what's welding a bracket onto your chassis now? Yeah.
That's the spirit.
So yeah,
It always gets me in
something like that
trouble,
then, huh?
dude. Yeah, I think we'll just mock it up.
All right,
Run a brace behind it.
welding. All right, check this out. We got the bracket kind of all tidied up. We just gotta paint it, you know, make it look kind of pretty. And I don't know if you guys have, where's the thing at? Oh, these things. I don't know if you guys have seen these. They drill and they tap at the same time, and they work so good. We just did them right here, right now. So it's like 2 in 1. That's so cool. So yeah, if you guys want a pair of these, hit them up. I'll hook you guys up.
No, actually, all like that.
Of course, dude. We're professionals. Or we as in you. You're the one that did it, pretty much everything. I'm just a videographer, okay? The guy with the camera, I'm the guy. Oh yeah, I welded too, actually. Which, pretty sloppy. I haven't done it in so long.
I
But-
ran all the way down.
Martin, we don't tell them those type of things.
No, like, make it flush.
Look, so these were the first ones. Martin's hating on these right now. So he grinded those down because the others are pretty shitty. Because the wind, they have an AC up there. Look at these. These are a lot better.
Those are really good, yeah.
Still grinding them
You
down.
have to show those ones, huh? We won't paint that time.
Oh yeah.
Good. Done.
He's not gonna be able to show, but it's already out. Why not?
Yeah. If it doesn't get done now, it's not gonna get done, so.
True, never. Until your 8 amp breaks. You have to take it apart again. I'm just kidding, it's not gonna break. It's not gonna break. It's
I don't
not.
know anymore.
So are we gonna take out your amp?
What if we drill through it with the taps?
Dude, that's fucking perfect. We don't have to weld it. So what is, to you guys, what's the world record at right now? Because we've been kind of searching around and we're not too sure exactly what it is. We know it's in the 10s, but we want to know for world record for a stock block. Put it down in the comments below if you guys know what the world record is, or there's, you know, videos or whatever on the forums or anything that can help us see what the world record is. We really appreciate that. Yeah, we'll keep you guys posted on whenever we go to the track and actually run. Maybe some of you guys can come out there with us too. and you know, join us with you guys' ISFs.
So they'll be here and here.
All right. And just like that, I have some thread. That's like satisfying. Alright, so we finished up the reservoir. To me, I think it came out really, really good. Take a look at this. Let's see what it's gonna be like that. Give her enough height so that we can put a funnel. Feed the meth through it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I mean, I think it came out pretty nice. So tomorrow, I think we're gonna wrap up for today, right?
Yeah, pretty much clean up.
Yeah, clean up and go home. It's like 10 o'clock or some shit. For you guys, it's gonna be like a second. For us, it's gonna be a whole ass day of work.
But it came out really good. It looks really sturdy.
Yeah, I think it's tight. It's like a fucking punching bag. Look at this. Yeah. All right, so roll the next clip from tomorrow right now. And just like that, 5 days later, I'm back at the shop right now. So he got pretty much got it all in already. What do you guys think? Check it out. Looks good, huh? So we were able to get the plastic cover back in there. We kind of just trimmed around the pieces right there. We got the pump underneath. He got the connector all hooked up, the line hooked up right there. So he pretty much ran here. Let's see if you guys can see that. So there's a pump right there. So he ran the line from the reservoir into the pump, and the pump has arrows. See the arrow right there? So that means it flows from the reservoir out to the front of the car. And this is the other line. The connector ran it out through here. So yeah, take out this panel, and you can just wire everything out through there. Yeah, so it goes up to there, and take the seat off. Both of this pretty simple. Go down through the side right here through all these little panels, and it's pretty much tucked everything in there. You guys can't see anything. Yeah, everything through here all the way to the front. And you put the switch underneath?
Yeah, I just took it up there for now, just to keep it out of the way. Once it's working right and everything, I'll be like pretty much tucking everything behind the glove box. I'll put the LED light over there, so I know if it's working right or not.
Oh, okay.
It'll be flashing if there's a problem. So pretty much once you set it, you kind of just forget about it.
Oh, that's right. So you just kind of set the, what, parameters, I guess you can call it?
Yeah.
Whatever. And you just kind of forget about it, and there's a light that you install. When it blinks, this little light right here, that means there's something wrong with it. And then when it's solid, that means it is flowing good, everything's working fine. So now he's installing the nozzle.
Yeah.
That sprays into the intercooler piping, and he's gonna do it right there.
I got a fitting for it. I just made a hole in the coupler, and I compressed it. We'll see if it's good. Hopefully it doesn't leak.
Oh yeah, that fitting right there, we had a hard time knowing exactly how to do it. But, well, you got it from Summer Racing, huh?
Yeah.
So you got this little, that thing right there, pretty much sandwiches the coupler. So there's a couple things that you guys should watch out for when you guys install this. And one is pretty much keep the reservoir up straight, not tilted to the left, you know, sideways or whatever. So try to keep it up straight as possible. And the nozzle should be higher than the reservoir's, what do you want to call that? The line? Than the reservoir's line. Yeah, so pretty much that nozzle up front should be higher than this line right here. This little line. Pretty sure we're probably missing a lot of things, but I mean, if you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, leave them down in the comment box down below, and we'll try to answer them. Once again, if you guys are ever looking to get something like this installed in your car, you guys know where to go. Acuna Total Car Care. Give Martin a call, tell him that Nando 2 sent you guys, and hook you guys up. Hit him up if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns. You know, he's up for pretty much anything on an ISF, anything on anything, honestly. But yeah, hit him up and tell him Nando got something. Yeah, next video is gonna be I mean, you're pretty much done.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's it. So pretty much got the nitrous hooked up, the supercharger pretty much good. No, you're waiting on the E85.
Oh yeah, once we get that.
So once we have E85, then pretty much the car is ready to go and ready to go to the track. But I think next video we're gonna do a quick little poll and quick little run against my ISF to see what it's like with just meth and supercharger. Hopefully E85, but that's for a later cost, later video. But yeah, I mean, if you guys like this video, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys have any questions or anything like that. Yeah, stay tuned for the next one. Peace. Whoa, hold on. We're gonna give you guys a, what is it, cold startup?
Yeah.
Cold startup on a 2008 ISF. All right, now we are gonna damn smoking. All right, now goodbye.